Deleting a Visa card from Facebook page is pretty easy thing to do today. I'm going to teach you how you guys can delete a Visa card from Facebook page. Well, the process is pretty simple. In order to do that, as you guys can see, I'm on my Google. Now here, I'm just going to search for Ads Manager Facebook. Now, after searching for that, you simply have to, go to the first website, which should say Facebook Ads Manager. Now, what it will do is it will take you to the Facebook Ads Manager by clicking on this Go to Ads Manager. Now, this is what your Meta Ads or Facebook Ads Manager will look. Here you have to click on your settings and then it will take you to your Facebook Ads settings. Now, this is how it will look. Now, as you guys can see, this should say payment settings. You just have to click on that. Now, in the payment settings, you will be able to see this page. It should contain your payment methods right here, which you will easily be able to open up, modify it, or delete it right here on this page. So that's pretty much it. That's how you will be able to do it. Hope you guys find this video helpful.